Hi guys, welcome and thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch, where we cover everything on the stock market, not just IPOs. So briefly guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Marinus Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol MRNS real quick, and then we are going to look together. I'm going to show you in this video guys the new IPO, the new company that is going public on the stock market, which is actually a very legit, great company in my opinion, very powerful company. You'll see. I think it's a really good company, so super excited, and it's in a sector that going forward I think is going to do well. Sectors that I believe will do well going forward are agricultural, commodities, energy, right? And this one falls in the energy sector, so I'm very excited about that. All right guys, Marinus Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol MRNS, used to trade, this is the 1 year chart. Guys, this used to trade for like an entire year, up and down anywhere from $7 to $11, right? So that was it. Yesterday, it took an insane dive down 84%, straight line down 84%, trading right now at $1.27, right? Why am I showing you this? Well, basically, I'm not saying it's a buy for you, but for me, I'm trying to find the bottom on this. Still trying to find that bottom. Because I think that if I can get the bottom, if I can nail it, if I can, it's extremely hard to nail the absolute bottom. But if I can do this, it's going to be a moneymaker due to the fact, why did it fall 84%? It fell 84%, guys, because it was undergoing a phase 3 trial and it was deemed yesterday that, you know what, they should continue. Here's the thing, like, people misunderstood this. All it said was that they should continue for a further 1-2 months more the trial. That's it. That's all. They didn't say it's over, it sucks, cancel it, and all that stuff. In fact, the top line data for that phase 3 trial will be presented in mid-May, I think, or June. I'm sorry, I forget. Forgive me, but no later than June. No later than June. And that's what gets me, I'm thinking, all right, because the top line, it's not like it got canceled. We'll have the final top line data on this phase 3 results within a month and so on. It's got to go up. I mean, usually, almost always, these things go up before top line data comes out. And if the data is good, obviously, then it goes higher. But so if I can nail anytime soon that bottom, I mean, it's already down 84%, right? It's got to be close, I'm thinking. Yesterday in my Discord, I was telling people, okay, this thing crashed. I still believe it's going to go, bounce back. And so while it was crashing, it was at $1.80 around there. I said, you know what, guys, at $1.51 should be the bottom. When it hit 156, I was looking at it, I was like, all right, forget it. I don't see 151 being the bottom. Right away, I let everybody know that, guys, cancel your limit buy orders. Forget the 151. Let's look for 140. It hits 146. I'm, looking at the charts, and I'm like, all right, forget it. That's not the bottom. Let's go for 130. It goes close to 130. I say, forget it. Let's cancel that limit buy order again, because I don't see 130 being the bottom. And yeah, I was right, because yesterday I think it went down to 123, right? So where do I think is finally the bottom in this? I don't know. I'm looking at 120. And then we'll see again. So we'll see. But I am monitoring this. I do want to find that bottom. So if you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Guys, at the time of recording this video right now, it is pre-market. And later in the day at 1:15 p.m. New York Eastern Time, Jerome Powell is going to speak today. Now, when you see this video, probably I think Jerome Powell will have already spoken. I don't know. But he is going to speak later today. So I expect that the markets today are going to be red.
Only let go of me. I think you're breathing my neck meat.
Fine. What the heck are you guys doing? Trying to ruin my life and make me look like a freaking idiot?
I'm out making some sweet moolah with Uncle Rico.
Wish you wouldn't look at me like that, Napoleon.
I wish you'd get out of my life and shut up.
Centuri Holdings Incorporation, ticker symbol CTRI, 18 to 21 US dollars is the initial public offering price. That's the price range. So it's expected that it would open somewhere between 18 to 21 on the first day it starts trading. Obviously, if you've traded IPOs for a while, sometimes they open higher than what they say. So it is supposed to go public, guys, on April 18, 2024. It's going to offer 12.4 million shares, deal size $241 million. Centuri Holdings Corporation is a company that provides utility infrastructure services in North America. So the company is actually a unit, guys, within an already publicly traded company that is actually a very good company. That is Southwest Gas Holdings, right? So it's a unit within the utility Southwest Gas Holdings company. And this company provides various services to electric, gas, and combination utility service providers. Management is headed by President and CEO William H. Furman, who has been with the company since 2024 of January. The company offers utility infrastructure modernization, maintenance, retrofitting, installation, electric and natural gas distribution networks, renewable energy, and 5G datacom. As of December 31, 2023, guys, this company has received $374 million from its parent company, Southwest Gas Holdings, and the company seeks customers in North America. The company counts business relationships with certain large-scale 5G datacom providers to support increased utilization of 5G and network expansion with the addition of C-band and small cells. So looking at the revenue, guys, the total revenue in 2022 was $2.7 billion, not million, but billion dollars, guys. In 2023, 2.8, nearly $2.9 billion. So there was a 5% increase, which is actually a very healthy increase. Gross profit goes from $214 million to $273 million. That's the gross profit loss, guys. Gross margin is on an average of about 9%. So this company has $33 million in cash. They have $1.9 billion in total liabilities, which is the biggest red flag that I see, right, with this IPO, that nearly $2 billion in liabilities, and your cash is just $33 million, right? Their free cash flow is positive, and it's at $72.6 million. Valuation score, guys, I give it a 4 out of 5, but that doesn't mean that it's actually all perfect. Like I said, that total liabilities is really big. And perhaps, most likely, I believe that the IPO is overpriced. So if it opens at 21, on day one or higher, I am not buying, right? I will not buy. If it opens at 18 or lower, then I will seriously consider buying. And even when I buy it at 18 or lower, it will be traded within the first month of it being publicly traded. And then I'm going to get out and wait for the 180-day period to be over. Whatever shares new are going to be issued, shareholders selling and whatever, let the price settle where it has to settle and then reevaluate the company at that. That's just how I'm going to play it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And if you are looking at MRNS, let me know in the comment section below what you think is the bottom for this stock.